Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add a countdown timer in CapCut Updated Easy Guide. So first, to be able to add in a countdown effect onto our videos in here, then we're going to use a stock material that is offered here on CapCut so that we could do that. So as you can see, I've added my clip already in here that I want to use. So if you all haven't added a clip onto your end, just click onto import in here to browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop the videos that you want to use. So once it is added already in here, add this to the timeline. You could simply drag that or click onto this blue button. So for example, I want to add a timer here onto this part of the video. Now we're going to head here under stock materials. So these are free footages that are offered here onto CapCut. So there are a lot of offers in here. In here onto the search bar, we're going to go ahead and type in timer. So we have different timers available in here. We'll just have to choose which one you want to add onto your video. So I kind of like this one. So let's simply click onto that to go ahead and download that clip and click onto this blue button to add this. So let's put this here onto the upper part just like that. So let's trim this one out on where we want to see the timer. So for example, over here, let's crop this first. So we're going to go ahead and delete the left portion of it, put this in here. And since as you can see in here, it has a green screen in here. To remove this green screen effect, we're just going to click onto this clip in here. And then there should be an option to go ahead and remove this background for this. So we have chroma key in here. Enable that one. And for the color picker, we're going to go ahead and choose in the green for that. So right after we click onto that, the only thing that's going to be left in here is a timer here. So we're going to go ahead and make this one small. You could position this where you want to see this onto the video, and this is how it should go ahead and look like. So as you can see, we have added a timer effect onto our video in here. And that is just basically it, how you do it. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.